How to reply to comments with video on YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of view and then click on this option of your videos. Over here you will find all the videos that you have uploaded. Now open up the shorts in which you want to reply with the video. Head towards the comment section. Now click on the comment that you want to reply with the video. With that, at the bottom you will find the option of add a reply. Likewise, at the right corner of it you will find the option of camera. Click on it. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can shoot the video, or also you can select the video from your gallery to reply to this comment. For now, I'm just gonna record the video. After you are done, at the right corner you're gonna find different options. You can use these options to edit your video. Once you do that, you can click on this icon. At the bottom you're gonna find different options. You can use these options to edit your video. Once you are done, click on next. Now this video will be uploaded in your YouTube channel as well, so you can customize these settings. Once you do that, click on upload short. With that, this video will be uploaded in your YouTube channel, as well as you have replied to that comment with the same video. Well, this is how you can easily reply to comments with video on YouTube Shorts. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.